Hello everyone, welcome back to IELTS sharing community, and this is Daily Vocab. Before we get started, don't forget to like and share this video to support us and subscribe this channel for more lessons, and we really appreciate it. And our vocabulary today is an idiom, bored to death or bored to tears. This one used to describe your feeling or your emotion when you feel extremely bored. Okay, you're extremely unhappy because something is not interesting or because you have nothing to do. And this idiom gonna help you improve your vocabulary score in IELTS speaking test. Now let's have a look at this example. In IELTS speaking part 1, they may ask you, what don't you like about your job? So you can say, well, all I do is fill out forms, which makes me feel bored to tears most of the time.